Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to set up your Trust Wallet on your PC and Mac. You will need Google Chrome for this extension, hence this is only available on Chrome. First, go to trustwallet.com, which is the page that is shown on screen. Once you're on the page, click Browser Extension. Then, click Get Trust Wallet. From here, you're going to add to Chrome and add extension. Once you have added the extension, press the little puzzle piece in the corner and you'll see Trust Wallet. Click on Trust Wallet and Trust Wallet will appear. From here, you're going to press Create a New Wallet. From here, you're able to improve Trust Wallet. We're just going to press No Thanks, and now you're going to set your password. Once you have set your password, agree to the terms of use, then press Proceed. From here, you're going to back up your secret phrase, which is your recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is the only way you'll be able to access your Trust Wallet if in case you ever lose it. From here, press Start and unblur the screen. Make sure you write down the 12-digit secret phrase, then press Proceed. From here, you're going to confirm your secret phrase that you have written down, in order from number 1 to 12. Once you have confirmed your secret phrase, press Next. From here, press Open Wallet. Exit out of the screen, and you have successfully created your Trust Wallet.